1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme here at Unique Specialty and Classics. So now has a 403 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let you take a close look at the front bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds. This is one of those little TLC and care, maybe bring it back to its former glory. Maybe you want to drive it the way it is, completely up to you. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on some polished aluminum American racing wheels. As you can see, some rubber body moldings missing on the sides. But overall, take a look around the wheel wells. Doesn't look too bad. A few filler panels missing. Gonna need some attention if you wanted to bring her back like it was new. A little corrosion on the side. Bench seat, cloth interior car. Aftermarket stereo, couple aftermarket gauges. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper. That filler panel doesn't look too bad. Once again, still pictures. Check it all out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, around the wheel wells, those body moldings. Missing on this side also, and then that filler panel up front. And not bad around those wheel wells. Lots of times, first places you see them start to go. Take a look at the door panel. Carpeting and seating area. We're going to fire it up, let's hear it run too. Check out that engine bay quick. Definitely sounds healthy. A little cam in it. There's an aftermarket stereo that's been added. There's the aftermarket gauges. Temp gauge, oil pressure. Get a peek at the dash. Headliner could use some attention also. A little rumble coming out of that 403. All right, let me slip up to the front, pause this a second, pop the hood open, and we'll check out the...
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Go hood pop, 403 V8, power steering, power brakes. Was originally an AC car. Still some of the components back here, as you can see. Does not have the complete AC system installed. 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.